If you don't see the character palette, click on the Window tab and click on Character. Here you can adjust the text size, change the font, and all other adjustments of the current text layer. Selecting a particular text is not necessary. You can also change the line height between two lines or the total text. Another thing to adjust is the horizontal space between each characters. To change the character spacing, click and adjust here. There you can find more options like for bold, for italic, all capital, small caps, superscript, subscript, underline, and strike through.